an amazing day at Magic Kingdom with a refreshing drink from Starbucks, which happens to be the bakery on Main Street. I'm gonna grab a fresh, cool drink and head on home. The bakery has sandwiches as well. Yummy. I don't know if you guys remember this, but you can use your Starbucks gift cards here at all of the Starbucks locations inside all of the Disney parks. So that's what I'm going to do. I have a little bit of balance left on this, and I'm going to make full use of it today. I'm in my chill zone with my chill drink, and I have a few things to share with you about Starbucks. Here's what you can do at the Starbucks that are located inside of the Disney parks. You can use your Starbucks gift card. You can earn points using your Starbucks card, but anything you pay for in cash will not earn points. Now here's what you can't do at the Starbucks inside of Disney parks. You can't redeem a free drink, and you can't reload your Starbucks card. But the good news is there's some things that you can do at the Starbucks at Disney Springs that you can't do inside of the parks. You can reload your card, you can redeem a free drink, and you can also earn points on anything you purchase with your Starbucks card at the Disney Springs Starbucks locations. And there are 2 of them, one on either end of Disney Springs. And don't forget, there is a Starbucks inside of every Disney park. At Magic Kingdom, it's the Main Street Bakery. At Animal Kingdom, it's Creature Comforts. At Epcot, it's the Fountain View. At Hollywood Studios, it's the Trolley Car Cafe. Now, if you've got any other questions or tips about Starbucks, please leave that down in the comments and share it with everyone. Thanks for taking this Starbucks break with me. I hope you guys have a magical day, and I'll see you real soon.